Yo, what's up guys? My name's Kit, and today I'll be doing a typing test on this laptop here, the Asus Zenbook Flip-S UX370UA, also known as the Q325UA from Best Buy. That is an annoying title. Alright, let's start. Alright, 91. Let's see, 3 incorrect words. Alright, okay. Let's do another one. Ah. '86. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty good. My average is around 80 to 90 words per minute. So yeah, this keyboard works pretty well despite being only 1mm key travel instead of the 1.5mm key travel from my previous laptop, the Zenbook UX305. So yeah, it's not that bad. And I think I'll do one last one. Dang it. Okay, 89 words per minute. And I missed 3 words, but alright. So yeah, that was the typing test on this laptop. Hands are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. Peace out.